Hey guys, myself Rakesh, and in this video we are going to learn how do you use regular expression in Python to find a string. We'll go step by step. Regular expression itself is quite complicated to learn. So if you learn through this video step by step, you will be able to learn a lot of things around regular expression. So first we will start with how do you really find a string from a set of text. Right, you find there's a set of text from which you need to find a simple string using regular expression in Python. So how to do that? Let's get started and understand. Let me open PyCharm and see how this can be done. Now to do all this, you need to import a module called RE, which stands for regular expression. Okay, import RE. This is the first thing you should remember because we are dealing with regular expression, right? Okay, now let's write a text into a variable called text variable. Let's say I'm going to say John is a Python developer. What I'm writing, John is a Python developer. So this is the simple sentence I'm writing. Let's say I would like to find Python. So in a Word document, if there are a lot of text, what you do, generally you do a Control F and then find that, right? Control F and find it. It's more or less similar to that. Okay, we are going to find a text, a simple text from the entire set of text. So how to do that? Using regular expression, because this is a basic class, so we'll go step by step. Okay, so let's create a variable called x, and here I'll be using a module name called RE, and then I'll be using the method which is called search. So what this search will do, this is going to find out the first match. So here in this entire text there is a Python word. So how I would search it? Search, and I'm going to simply say Python, and I'm going to put a comma, and then where would I like to search it? In the text variable. So this is the simple way to write it. RE is the module name dot search, and then what text I would like to search, and then where I would like to search. That is there in the text variable. Simple. Very good. Now let's do one thing. If I print x, what's going to happen? If I'm going to print x, what is the output am I going to get? Okay, so let's run it and you will see the output is a match object. So what is a match object? Match object is generally telling you the word that you have searched for. Let's say Python. This word starts from the index number 10 and ends by the index number 16. So if you count here from 0, the index number always starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, space is also counted, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you can see the P starts from the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It ends at 15, so the next value is 16, right? So that is how it is saying from 10 to 16, the starting string and the last nth string is 16th. 16 means not exactly 16 but before 16. That's how the index is generally taken. So 10 to 16. So here is the word Python and there is a match called Python. The word is there. What would happen if I write Python once again? Simply I'm writing Python once again and I'm going to run it. Is it going to give me the second value? No, it always ends for the first match. In the entire set of strings, it's find the first match. We will see there are different ways to find it. Okay, there are different methods to use. So search is one of the method we are going to learn in this video. Now let's learn little more beyond this. What if can I use a if can I use a if command and try to see if I can do something around it? So if I say if x is found, if x got a value, so the moment it finds a match, it returns a match object, and match object will have that index number 10 to 16 and it will say match is equal to, so it is an entire set of value. It is called match object. So if match object is found, then it should print yes, the word is present. Okay, if it is not there, else, and I'm going to say else print no match found. Okay, simple. Now if you see, if I run this, what is going to happen? Because there is a match, it is saying yes, the word is present, or there is a match, it is present. If I say some other word, let's say I'm going to say Java, and I'm going to run this. So what would happen? No match found. Getting it? So first you learn how to utilize the RE module dot search. Okay, make a note how to utilize. Let's go one step at a time so that you will learn everything in detail. So this is the first step, and there are multiple things to know around regular expression which I'm going to teach you, but again this is the first thing you should take a note. We are going to meet once again in the next content. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel. I need your support. Please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. We are going to meet in our next content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.